This bust was acquired by the Villèle Historical Museum in 1992 and is one of the numerous bronze editions for trade made by the Carpeaux workshop, by the Seuss Company, or even by other anonymous casters. It is the testimony of La Négresse's popularity, a sculpture related to the creation of Africa, one of the allegorical figures representing the four parts of the world made by Carpeaux for the fountain of the Paris Observatory from 1868 on. Cover art was made from the study of a living model, which places it in the current of ethnographical sculpture. The beauty and the expressive strength on the young woman's face seem to be underlining the sculpture's abolitionist conviction, which is revealed to us on the writing on the pedestal, "Why to be born a slave." In the 19th century, the French writer Théophile Gautier was sensitive to the emotion arising from that sculpture, and he wrote,
La Négresse, with the rope binding her arms to her back and creasing her breast, is rising to the sky. The only thing remains free for the slave. The look of despair and of silent reproach, useless call for justification, dull protest against the destiny crushing. It is a piece of rare vigor where the ethnographical accuracy is dramatized by a deep feeling of pain.